So today's problem is final prices with special discount in a shop. Okay, so I don't understand now the problem statement. So let me quickly read the sample prices. So I have price, let's say 8. For the 8 I should pay 3. No, I should pay 4. Minimum index. Okay, 4. For the 4 I should pay 2. For the 6 I should pay 2. For the 2 I should pay the same 2. For the 3 I should pay the same 3. Here for the 1 I should pay 2. For the 2 no, for the 1 I should put, okay, 1 and all the same. For the 10 I should pay, why I should pay 9 for the 10? It's a discount. Okay, so discount. So here each discount 8, the minimum price 4, it means 4. 4. For the 4, 2, minimum price 2. For the 6, 2, 6 minus 2, 4. The same. Here for the 10 I get discount 1 and 9 for the... So I have how to solve it. I had an idea to solve it with a kind of prefix minimum or like suffix minimum. So the brute force solution is pretty obvious here because like price is length is 500, so for every price I can go to the right and find the price that's less than the current one. I guess I can solve it with minimal stack, something like that. I have this intuition that this can be solved with minimal stack. So I have 10 I add 10 to the stack. Then let me think about that. So here I have to do something like that. So I have sample 10, 1, 1, 6, and if I go 10 in the beginning, then I add 1, so I remove 10, and the index like 0, 1, 2, 3. So first, for the 10 I should record 1. So if I have like increasing like 10, 11, 13, 14, so for the 10, let's say, I'm gonna have stack of all these numbers. Then 10, 11, 13, 14, and then let's say I see 2. So number 2 should should affect all these numbers. Like let's say I have 10, 0 at 0, 11 at 1, 13 at 2, and 14 at 3. So I take the 2 and 2 modifies all of them, and like I pop 14 and write the output at index 3 as 14 minus 2 gonna be 12. Then I pop 13 and I pop it. So I pop 13 right at index 3. So like I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at index 3 I already wrote 12. Yeah, and at index 2 I should write 11. 2, it's gonna be 13 minus 2, 11, and I pop it. At index 1, write 11 minus 2 gonna be gonna be 11 minus 2 gonna be 9, and at index 0 I'm gonna write pop 10, and 10 minus 2 gonna be 8. So gonna be 11, 9, 8, and then I have 2. So I popped it and I added so I added 2 at index 4, and then in the end I just put whatever I have at the stack and don't adjust the price for that. So I just do 2 here. So in this case, if I have 10, 10, 1, 1, and 6, what's that gonna be? So I see 10, I push it to the stack, 10 at 0. So the result gonna be with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I see 1, 1 is less than 10, so I pop the value from stack and record result as 10 minus 1. So I record with at 0, 9 here. and I push 1 now, 1 at 1. So I see next one, I move to 1. I see 1 and I should do what? I should do probably that's a good question, what I should do for 1. Say, let's say have 10 and 10, and in the future have the price 2. So I should adjust both of them. Yeah, so I push also 1. So now I have stack of 2 and 1 at 3. And then I push 6 at 4. And then I am at the end of the array. So I pop all this and save them unchanged. Oh no, actually this one should be adjusted, so the price should be less or equal. Yeah, so in case I have the same value, I should pop it like this one. So let's go back to the situation. So I have the same value 1. I'm saying that now at 1 at index 2. So I pop it. If the current price is less or equal the top of the stack. While top of the stack is less or equal to the current, I pop it, and this case I pop it, go so 1 at 1, so I do 1 minus 1 gonna be 0, and I popped it and I pushed 1 at 2, and then I pushed 1 at 6, and then I have 1 and 6. So yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna start coding this program. Okay, let's wait a second. So I'll have stack integer as equals new stack. So we're gonna store the indexes, and then int and then for int I equals 0 other than prices. So let's create a technical prices length, and then here also simplify it a little bit, and here also simplify it, and I will pass, then while stack say while stack is empty and stack peak greater or equal current price, I do stack peak and then price at prices, because there are indexes in the stack. Stack pop prices at index minus prices at y I else make stack push index, and then while stack stack is empty, gonna index equals stack pop, and I'll just write the price here and the result, and then return result. So let me check what the time is now. 16 minutes. So probably I can run a paper tracing here. Paper tracing. So let's say I have this way. This array as an input, and then I'll have this input, and then I need to go, so n is equal, so result gonna be empty array first, and then stack gonna be empty, and then I0, I'm just gonna push the stack becomes 0. So here also let's save some space, result this one, input this, result this, stack this, so I go to I1, so check the price, I1 is 4, while stack is not empty, stack is not empty, and price is stack peak, so the price is 8, greater or equal than 4, yes, so I pop the index gonna be 0, stack empty, and then I'll write result at index 0 equals, so result gonna be null, so the result was 0, 0, 0, and 0, and now result gonna be prices at index 8 minus prices at I minus 4, gonna be 4, and then I gonna push the current index to the stack, and then I equal to index, so while stack is not empty, so it's not empty, and the price stack peak, the price at stack peak gonna be 4, greater or equal the price at I. 4 is not greater than 6. So what I do, I change the stack. So now my stack gonna be 1 and 2. So I go to index 3. So at index 3 I have 2. And I check is 2 stack is not empty. I check is 2 is stack peak. So at stack peak I have 6 prices at stack peak. So that's 6 is greater than 2, so I do index 2, stack becomes just 1, and then result equals 4. Okay, so not at index, I found an error. Oh yeah, sorry. So index was what? Yeah, index 2, result gonna be still 0, 0, 0, 0. So at index 2 I'm gonna change to prices at index press the index to 6 minus press aside 2, so it's gonna be 4 here. And then stack is not still empty, and prices at stack peak gonna be 4, and 4 is greater than 2, so I do pop, and then index equals 1, and then result at index 1 gonna be at index 1 gonna be prices at index 1 4 minus prices at 2, so it's gonna be 2. And then now my stack is empty, so it was here just 1, and then yeah, stack is now empty, so I exit this while, and I'll do push stack push, and push the current index, so it's gonna be 3. And then I go I4, and then I check if the price at stack peak is greater than price at I. 2 is not greater than 3, greater than equal. 2 is not greater than or equal than 3, so I do, so I exit this loop, not entering it, so I skip this loop and just push index to the stack. And then I exit this for loop, and while stack not empty, I just pop it and update the price at index, what was there at stack index. So I do result, so I have 3 and 4, and yeah, I do result update. No, can't do it. Why? I do result update. No, I cannot paste. I don't know why I cannot paste. So cannot even write anything there. Why? Okay. So okay. So can I copy now? Yeah, I can copy. So I pop the index, so the index is gonna be 4, and I update the result at index 4, just copying the prices. It's gonna be 2, 3 here. So the stack will become just 3, and update this one also. Gonna be 4, 2, 4, 2, 3. Okay, sounds good. So let's bound condition. Okay, that's fine. Let's run it. Okay, sounds good. So let me check what is the timing. So the timing 24 minutes, pretty much, I would say okay-ish. It's okay-ish. But yeah, I would be more happy if I would do that within like 15 minutes, or like 17 minutes max. But given that there were no recent pass statuses, I'll claim it like pass. So, and also I did paper tracing. I didn't find any errors while I was doing paper tracing, but it's still good to have it. Let's check what they have here. So this one is just simple n squared solution, and it gives a better time complexity. So I can definitely improve this by doing something like, instead of using stack, I can use kind of this integer stack equals new integer. And then I'll do something like this. Well, and then head equals -1, and then -1, and then stack head. I'm gonna stack head minus stack head plus equals I health head not equal -1. I'll do stack head minus. Can I do this? Let's try. Yeah, that's much better. Can I say it even more? I am thinking about reducing this prices array. Can I reduce prices array as a result, or maybe a stack? Not really. I didn't think how. I didn't know how. I didn't think it can be done here. Okay, so let's call it a day. As I said before, I thought that I managed to solve it within like 25 minutes, so I call it a pass. Thank you for watching.